Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall an application on your Amazon Fire Stick. So on the home screen of the Fire Stick, let's scroll on over to Settings, then go down and go to Applications. Now under here, let's go to Manage Installed Applications and go down and find the application you want to go ahead and simply uninstall and free up space on your Amazon Fire Stick so you can download more applications. So I'm going to continue to scroll on down until I get to something I want to delete. So I'm going to delete this. It says, I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and just select it. It says Wi-Fi and Internet Fix for Kindle Fire. So I never use this application. I'm going to go down to uninstall right here. And it says uninstall this application. Deleting this application will clear up this much space. The app will be deleted for all non-kid profiles. Are you sure you want to continue? Let's go to confirm and remove it. And now we are freeing up space so we can download more applications on our Amazon Fire Stick. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.